Okay. Hey everyone, I'm back with another update for my personal voice AI assistant project. So currently, you guys can check out with this documentation. This is the diagram, sequence diagram I draw out to explain how my AI speaker assistant app working. So currently, I'm done implementation with the core Gemini API, core from server to Gemini API with streaming response here. So and also done the first version of Dream Sentence from the real-time response of the Gemini. The reason because what to explain why I need to trim by sentence because I wanna increase the time response and the performance of how to transform the text to the voice using TTS API. So yeah, if for example, if you have the one big paragraph like this, you put all the thing inside one API and you transform to voice. It's really makes sense that you need to wait more than usual, more than you just put some sentence in here, one sentence by one in here. For example, you put uh, first first sentence and second sentence, and you put in the queue, and after that you can get the response. You can return the audio response to the client smoothly. But I think the implementation is more difficult. But it's really makes sense for the this scenario, this context. I wanna respond from the user speak to the AI speak it in the real time. So yeah, uh, okay. So now I'm seeking and testing with the TTS API. I mean text to speech API, and finally find out OpenAI TTS API here. So let's explain something why I choose OpenAI TTS. So it's simple because, from my point of view, it's incredibly natural sounding is the key, and an other different voice option for me to choose, and it's easy to work with the HTTP request. Uh, okay, so let's dive into how can test with the OpenAI TTS API with the terminal I prepare in here. Okay. Uh, so step by step. Okay. First, you need to get your OpenAI API key in the platform OpenAI.com website. Of course, you need to make sure you have the OpenAI key to go to send the request because this is the authorization method of OpenAI API. Yeah. So the second of all, you need to go to the terminal. If you want to test with the terminal, you need to set the okay. You need to set the global variable key or terminal local variable key in this terminal, like Open API key equal something like dummy key in here. Uh, okay. And after that, you're ready to go. You're ready to go with the make the terminal HTTP request with the curve syntax already in here. So this is the document of OpenAI platform. So you can take we can take a look here. The request body. The request body have three part required. Three part required is the one is the model, second input, and third is the voice. So the model you can choose between the TTS1 and TTS1 HD. You can take a look here, and what is different is TTS1 optimized for speed and HD optimized for quality. But for this scenario, I will choose the optimize for speed because AI speaker assistant need speed for respond to the user. Don't need to quality than speed. I will prioritize with the speed. So I choose the TTS1 model. So yeah, you can copy this and try it out here. Okay. Uh, let me change the authorization OpenAI API here. In my terminal, I set TTS key, not OpenAI API key, but you can set it with whatever the name you want, right? And yeah, the second table the content type is application adjacent is the default format, and the model as I said before, I choose the TTS1 model, and the second in the body input is the input key. So you can you can pick whatever the text you want in here. So I will choose the first sentence like I said in the example before here, and can let delete it down here. Okay. The next is the voice. The voice you can choose. Now I choose Aloy, but you can choose other voice like here. We can have some voice, and we can test some voice here. Aloy,
The sun
here.
rises in the east and sets in the west. This simple fact has been observed by humans for thousands of years.
Yeah, so natural, right?
In the
Right.
heart of the city, there is a large park where people go to relax and enjoy nature. The park has a beautiful pond with ducks and swans.
Okay, echo.
The library is a quiet and peaceful place where people go to read, study, and learn. The shelves are filled with
Fable,
The train
Onyx.
chugged along the tracks,
Oh,
carrying passengers to their destinations. The rhythmic sound of the wheels on the rails was soothing.
actually, this voice make me imagine someone like police from the US.
In the kitchen, the aroma of freshly baked bread filled the air. The loaves were golden brown and crusty on the outside and soft and warm on the inside.
The novel, the woman voice is really interesting.
The beach was a popular spot on a hot summer day. People were swimming in the ocean, building sandcastles, and playing beach volleyball.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We have 6 options. Currently, we have 6 options to choose, but I choose Alloy here. Uh, and you can choose the other outputs also. In the AI reference, you can change in the response format here. Because my Mac don't play can't play the MP3, so I will choose the wave format here. Okay, let me change this a little bit. Response format here, and wave. Okay, I I will change this to the wave file and speed one. I change the name also. Okay, let I think that's enough for the final option is the speed. I think one is default. Is okay. So let's convert it. Okay. So okay, we can see the speed one wave already exists here, and we can play around with that. Like open QuickTime player with the wave speed 1 wave 5. And okay, here we are.
Certainly. Economy refers to the system by which a society organizes and manages its resources to produce,
Wow.
distribute, and consume goods and services.
Wow, amazing. Amazing. Okay. Let me try another. Let me try another. Maybe it's the next sentence here. So, okay. Let delete and paste another sentence here. Sorry for my speed, but yeah. Okay, I will output the speed 2. Okay. Okay, it's done. And open it up with that.
It encompasses various activities,
Mhm.
interactions, and institutions involved in the production, exchange, and consumption of goods and services within a particular geographic region or among different regions.
Different version. Okay, that's okay. The final one. We will translate some sentence with a long sentence here. Okay. Uh, wait a little bit. Why did it so slow? Okay, let's try it out. Oh, sorry. It should be like speed 3, but okay, anyway, we can, it will override the old one.
Understanding the functioning of an economy involves analyzing factors such as GDP, gross domestic product, inflation, unemployment, income distribution, fiscal
Hmm.
policy, monetary policy, international trade.
Wait, why it just, I think some wrong here. Maybe let me try with another file. Okay, three. Mm-hmm. Okay, it's 20. I don't know why it's 30, but here is the 25 second.
Understanding the functioning of an economy involves analyzing factors such as GDP, gross domestic product, inflation, unemployment, income distribution, fiscal policy, monetary policy, international trade, and economic growth.
Mm.
Economists, policymakers, businesses, and individuals closely monitor these indicators and factors to assess the health and performance of an economy and make informed decisions.
Okay, that sounds incredible. Incredible. So, okay, that's all. That's all for my testing. But I think that you can test with that and play around with that. It's really amazing. And have a good day. Thanks for watching my video.